There's something truly magical about seeing forgotten pieces of wood furniture come back to life, isn't there? Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, a warm and inviting space where creativity meets sustainability, where old furniture is never considered waste, but instead seen as a story waiting for a new chapter. Today, we are diving into the world of reborn and redesigned wood furniture, transforming neglected and overlooked wooden pieces into something fresh, stylish, and perfect for modern living spaces. We live in a time where decor trends celebrate natural textures, authenticity, and creativity. And what better way to achieve that than turning old wooden furniture into trendy masterpieces full of character? Through thoughtful redesigns, careful craftsmanship, and inspired creativity, these pieces don't just fill a room, they define it. Whether you are someone who enjoys DIY projects, loves beautifully curated interiors, or simply appreciates the charm of reclaimed wood, this journey of transformation will feel deeply fulfilling and visually inspiring. Old furniture often carries a history, a memory of where it once stood, how it was used, and the hands that once held it. But over time, trends change, pieces age, and many of these once loved items get pushed aside, forgotten in storage, or thrown away completely. Yet, wood has a timeless spirit. Even when scratched, dented, or faded, it retains a soul that is just waiting to be renewed. That's where the art of furniture rebirth and redesign comes in. By sanding, cutting, painting, carving, reshaping, and refinishing, an old piece of furniture can be transformed into something completely unexpected. A tired old chair can become a stunning accent piece. A worn cabinet can become a statement decor feature. A broken table can be redesigned into shelf decor, wall art, or creative storage. The possibilities are endless, and each transformation is a testament to how creativity can unlock hidden beauty in everyday things. This process is not just about decor, it's about perspective. It's about learning to see beauty in imperfection and value in what others may discard. When you choose to redesign and rebirth old wooden furniture, you are participating in something impactful, sustainable craftsmanship. Instead of buying mass-produced factory items, you are creating something unique, personal, and eco-friendly. Upcycling reduces waste, saves natural resources, and allows us to enjoy the warm personality of real wood, not the artificial imitation found in many new furniture pieces today. In a world increasingly filled with plastic and synthetic materials, reclaimed wood decor brings the soothing feel of nature back into our homes. When redesigning neglected wooden pieces, the first step is always assessing their potential. Not every piece needs to be restored to its original form. Sometimes the most creative transformations happen when we take things apart and build something completely new. For example, old wooden bed frames can be turned into stylish wall shelves. Discarded drawers from a broken dresser can be turned into rustic shadow boxes or floating storage. A table with uneven legs can be redesigned into a modern coffee table or bench. Even wooden headboards which many people ignore, can be repurposed into entryway decor, hanging art pieces, or coat racks. These transformations are not only practical, they reflect ingenuity and an artistic way of thinking about home decor. If you are enjoying these transformation ideas and the beauty of giving forgotten furniture a second life, make sure to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement helps us continue bringing creative and inspiring content to you every single day here on Kuki Decor. The beauty of upcycled wood furniture lies in its design flexibility. Whether your style is modern minimalism, rustic farmhouse, boho natural, or even contemporary chic, reclaimed wood fits effortlessly. The natural grains, textures, and warm tones of wood add instant depth and personality to a room. When paired with soft decor elements like woven baskets, indoor plants, warm lighting, and handmade textiles, the space becomes inviting and grounded. These redesigned furniture pieces become conversation starters, artworks in their own right. Guests will notice them. People will ask about them. They stand out because they are one of a kind. For those who love sleek and modern aesthetics, simple refinishing and clean geometric shaping can turn old furniture into trendy contemporary decor. For lovers of rustic charm, keeping the wood's natural texture visible while enhancing its warmth with light coats of varnish creates an earthy, cozy feel. Meanwhile, painted finishes in colors like sage green, matte black, warm white, or natural taupe can transform old wood into something stylish and modern. Distressed finishes add vintage appeal, while high-gloss varnish offers a polished and refined touch. The style possibilities are as varied as your imagination allows. One of the most satisfying parts of this process is the transformation itself. Watching a dull, worn-out piece slowly regain life, as sanding reveals fresh wood beneath, or as a new coat of paint creates renewed elegance feels incredibly rewarding. Every brush, every cut, every detail adds new energy to the piece. And once completed, it becomes something with purpose and beauty once again. The joy of crafting something beautiful with your own hands is unmatched. It builds confidence, peace, creativity, and a sense of fulfillment that store-bought decor simply can't provide. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more daily videos filled with woodworking inspiration, decor ideas, makeover transformations, and creative furniture restoration content. We post every day to keep your creativity growing and your decor ideas flowing. Another meaningful aspect of Reborn furniture is that it makes homes feel more personal. Rather than filling your space with generic objects, you surround yourself with pieces that have character, charm, and emotional resonance. Even if you didn't build the original furniture, the fact that you redesigned it gives it a special connection to your home. These items become story pieces, holding not only history, but also your own creativity and intention. And for those who are exploring woodworking as a hobby or business, redesigned reclaimed furniture offers something truly valuable: profit potential. Unique, handmade decor pieces often sell at higher value because they are one of a kind. In markets, boutiques, and online platforms like Etsy or Facebook Marketplace, reclaimed wood decor is highly sought after. People love designs that feel real, personal, and environmentally conscious. So not only is this art form emotionally rewarding, it can also become a powerful and profitable craft. The journey of turning neglected furniture into decor treasures teaches patience, creativity, and appreciation for beauty found in unexpected places. It reminds us that value isn't based on how new something is, but on how thoughtfully it is designed and cared for. Every dent, grain, and shade in wood tells its own story, and when we redesign these pieces, we allow that story to continue in a new form. As you watch today's transformations unfold, you will see not just furniture changes, but the expression of craftsmanship, imagination, and love poured into each step. From sanding and shaping to painting and decorating, each movement is part of a quiet celebration of creativity. And as these forgotten pieces become stunning, trendy decor items once more, they symbolize renewal, not just in the furniture, but in how we view the world around us. Thank you for joining us in this beautiful journey of rebirth and redesign. May this inspire you to look around your own home, garage, or thrift shops with new eyes, to see not what things are, but what they could be. Creativity has no limits, and every piece of wood has another life waiting to be crafted. Stay inspired, stay creative, and let the beauty of reclaimed wood fill your living space with warmth and meaning.